Right guys, so today I'm going to show you how to draw a stem and leaf diagram, believe it or not. So when you read the heading, the title, the question says draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram. Okay, that means smallest to biggest of the information below. Alright, the ages of people in the library in years. Okay, now a stem and leaf, it's just like a table or a graph or a chart. You're showing your results from a survey or experiment. Now, this here on the side, that's like the stem, and the leaves like the units that go in here. Now, our smallest number is 2 and our largest number is 40. So first we have no 10s, then we've got our 10s in there, 20s, 30s and 40s. And we start with the smallest number, which is the number 1. Put the 1 in, put a little line through it. Next smallest is a 2, put a line through it there. We have no more units, so now we start with the 10s. So we've got 17, 18, 16, 19 and 11. So you put a 1 in there. A 1 and a 1 means 11. The next smallest is 16, so you put a 6 in there, cross it off. That means 1 and a 6 is 16. Got a 17, cross it off. 18 and a 19, so put a 9 in there. There are no 20s, so this row will be kept blank. Alright, we have got 33, so you put a 3 in the 30s row. And we've got a 40, so you put a 0 in the 40s row. Now we've got here a key to fill in, so we can pick any number from here. I might pick 40 at the bottom. So our key says for the line and the 0 equals 40. And it's in years, so we put 40 years. And that's it. For the simple ones, your 10s go on the side, the units go in here. Okay, and we can see the most popular ages are in the 10s, so 11, 16, 17, 18 and 19-year-olds. Okay, that's a simple one. Now, the next little variation is, okay, when you have heights of people, but this time you're given 3 digits. Now, we can only put 1 digit in the leaves. Okay, so that'll be the units we're going here. So, our smallest number is 92. So we'll start with a 9. Then we're going to have hundreds, 110s, 120s, 130s, 140s, and 150 is the largest that we're going there. So our smallest number is 92. We put a 2 in the 90s. Our next smallest is 103. So that's your hundreds, and we put the 3 on the end. Okay, there's no more that's less than 110. So 110 is the next one. You put a 0 next to there. That reads 110. Our next smallest is 117. So I put a 7 in there. Put a line through. Right, 128. 133 goes in there. 140. 145 and 150 will go at the bottom. Okay, now for the key, I might just pick the bottom. I'm going to say 15 line 0 equals 150. That's the heights of people in centimetres, and I put centimetres in there. Alright, so question 3 onto the next page. Angel counted the number of letters in each of 30 sentences in a newspaper. Let's show that on the stem and leaf diagram on the next page. Here. So you can see we've got 8 letters, 8 again, 9, 11, 12 and so on, up to 45 letters. Now we've asked here, what is the modal number of letters? Alright, always look back to the key. 4 and 1 means 41. The mode is the most common or most occurring. So we can see here 8 comes out twice, so does 14, so does 25, 27, 22, 33, 36, 38 and 43. Okay, these are all the modal values. So you're going to put 8, 14, 25, 27, 32, 33, 36, 38 and 43. Okay, bimodal, you can have more than one mode. Right, question B. How many sentences have 36 letters? So there's your 30s, there's your 6. We only have 2 sentences with 36 letters. Okay, so it's going to be 2. How many sentences had fewer than 16 words? Well, 18 is there, so before that, 14. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you put in there 8 sentences. Okay. What is the range of letters? So the range of letters, that's the biggest. Take the smallest. You can see here our biggest score is at the bottom right always. So you've got 45, take away, the smallest score is the top left, 8. 45, take away 8 is 37. I'm working in letters, so I'm going to put 37 letters at the end. Okay. So reading them, Jimmy says that half of the sentences are over 30 letters. Is he correct? Okay, over 30. So you can see here, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've got 13 that are over 30. However, when you count all of them, there are 30 sentences. Now 13 out of 30 is less than half because a half is equal to 15 out of 30. Alright, we have 13 out of 30, which means he is not correct. Alright, it is less than half. Right, and you could be asked a question on probability. So, one of the sentences is chosen at random. What's the probability of choosing one with 27 letters? So go back to the stem and leaf diagram. How many have 27 letters? 27. There are only 2. So your answer is going to be 2 out of 30 altogether, which is the same as 1 out of 15. Okay, that is the probability of choosing one with 27 letters. Right, thank you for listening. Goodbye, y'all.